when you're doing this solution, UNI unique unique elements equal to, for example, set of L1, list of set of L1. Guys, this is fine. Okay, but what is the catch here? So how much time it would took us for implement this logic? A minute, right? Less time, right? So guys, we should whenever there is opportunity, you should not this is not recommended. Though it's the best answer, but not recommended. Not recommended in the sense, in order to take out the interviewer's time, correct? So what you should say, you should create a function df get unique elements, for example, this function, understood, and it should take list my list, for example, or mix a list, for example, mix a list, got it, colon, and now what you have to do, you have to put a function to get the unique elements from the list. Got it? And the mixer list is type is you should say parameter mixer list. Uh, it is mix the list. You also say example list of 1 comma 2 comma some string comma or India comma, whatever it is. You got it? And what it written is returns list of unique elements. Make sense? And when it comes to here, so what you will be doing here, you're doing the same logic again. See, what do the logic is? See, you should first convert it to set. You should convert mixer list to set, first of all, right? And say this, you deleted, like let's say you made it prepare unique set equal to this. And if you want to convert to list, for example, unique list equal to list of, let's say, unique set. Got it? Now, so if again, if the interviewer asked, hey, like how do you know, so since it is this, I want to get the elements. See, like it might be in a mixer, right? I want them in a, you know, let's say 5, 8, 9. Now again, get the unique elements of the list and uh, print them in a descending order or print them in a ascending order. Got it? And you should say after getting unique list, what you should be doing? You should be doing unique list dot, yeah, you should be using sort function, right? Reverse equal to true. You got it? So once you do this sort equal to reverse, then return unique list. Guys, did you understood? So this took time, right? This took time. This is just less than a minute. Got it? So interviewer might have only 30 minutes of time, and if you write like this adds more value. And even for testing, so also after writing it, you can ask them, can I test it? Okay, yeah, can you test that? Yeah, okay, sure. And you'll be saying you should you should grab the opportunity. Say if it is L1, right? For example, consider this and comment the boom, right? Now, so this is the one. Right. Now, what you will be passing? You will be passing list one. Got it? And also you say see this is just blind, right? And how do you handle when there is issue? Again, take out some more time. Try. Got it? Because if something goes bad, what happen? Accept exception as error. Got it? And when there is error, what do we need to do? We need to print error is error. Got it? Also add finally say program exited or executed. Successfully you taken out so much time now. Just kidding. Guys, did you understood? See, you can do this, but the problem is he'll get more time for asking more questions, right? So when you do this, even like what this what we can say. So what people might think, right? So they thought that hey, this guy is very good at writing a very neat code, even with the exceptional handling. And no, after writing, you should not sit blind. Hey, interviewer, I'm done. Can you execute it? Don't do it. Okay. Tell them. So I have created a function named get unique elements. And for input for this function is mixed list, right? And so this would by default make it empty list, guys. By default it has empty. You got it? To make it friendly. Even if something goes bad, also nothing will happen. If user not sending also, that's fine. Still, got it? Yeah. If you see here, I've created a function get unique elements, and I had a variable or parameter called mixed list. By default, it has empty list, but actually this expect a list from the function call. Got it? And when it comes to this documentation string, so this is the first line I just mentioned that function to get the unique element from a list, right? And parameter list, it is a mixed list. For example, this is the one, and the written value of this list is list of unique elements. And here I have added try exception handling here for handling any of errors during this fetching out the unique elements. And what I have done is initially I get a unique set of the list. So I have used a set function, which is very powerful in Python to convert anything to anything to set, but by removing the duplicates. So here I filter out all the duplicates, and I got only unique items. Since we need list, so I have used a built-in list function. I have passed this set as input to the list, so that since I am doing a type conversion from set to list, so this would result me list of unique elements, right? And I store those data in the unique list variable, and then I have applied list method called sort, and also pass the parameter to true. So what it does is it reverses the elements into the list, right? And once it is reversed, I'm returning the list. Even during this process, if there is something wrong happened, so I had an exception handling block where I'll be capturing the log. So print error is it would display whatever error is there. Got it? And once I had this exception, once I had this, then what I'll be doing is finally I'm just saying that the program executed successfully. right? Yes. Did you like the answer? So this is how you're supposed to answer the question. This is how you should answer it. Got it? So this is the yesterday's question. And also, see, after this, like, can I go ahead and test it, for example? So you should say, you can also print it here. Print print unique elements, or say unique list, for example. That's it. You're done, right, guys? Like, once you do this, what you have to do is you have to nicely trigger this function. So show him the output. Hey, see, unique elements are, so a list in reverse order, and so you whatever wherever necessary, you should only put the message there, so that uh, the output is seen in the clearly. Also, did you see how nicely this was written, guys? You got it. This is how you should write, not this one. This is perfect. This is the code logic of it. Okay. If you want, you can put, you can put this two in if you want, you can put these two in one go. Let's say unique list equal to, just say unique list equal to. But this would be more nice if you write them. It would be more nice. This can be done in single line as well. But still, if you want, you can do it, no problem, because you have taken down much time for doing other things, right? And also, you can tell them, hey, if the list is this, then fine. So this would, let's say, when this is gonna crash, for example, if list is, let me try something else. See, if I add, once again, instead of here adding here, okay, right. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be adding some string. Let's say India, and say India. Got it? If I go and trigger this, it should properly. Did you see this, guys? What did you notice? Why the problem in this is, you are doing reverse, right? So if you don't do this, see, your problem, the problem happened, but still. So how did it handle actually? It handled nicely, right? See, error is your program executed successfully only. Did you see it? And it also captured the error. So less than cannot support between integer and the string. Why? Because we are doing. See, by looking at this error, you should understand that what is the problem, guys? Can someone quickly tell me? The problem is very simple. See, I can do comparison between 4 greater than less than 5. That is possible, right? How about this one, strings? You got it? Right. So right. So when you're doing this, it's very important that you have to make sure the data is completely of one type. If it is, it should not have a mixed it should not have a mixed data types when doing a reverse equal to true. So to fix it, see, and some other case where you should tell them that, hey, if it is this, then it would cry. The program application still handle nicely and print the message, right? But it would not, it is not. Sorry, for example, in order to in order to nicely handle this as well. Now, what you have to do, again take out some more time. You should say that, hey, Guys, it's your opportunity. Okay, when there is a question, it is opportunity. So this is not when it is on integers and strings. So this is not nicely handled, right? Now, how do you do this? See, in order to solve this problem, again, what we need to do is I need to get the function. Let's say function to get uh, get integer, get or clean integers, right? So here I'll take the item. For example, I'll take the item, right? And now we should show our power with Can you tell me who can tell us? Can someone quickly tell us what we can use here? Now we need to filter out. We need to filter out all the integers here. See, that is one thing. That is one thing to filter. What is the other? What, no, we had to use. We have applied map radius filters, right? Did you understood? Yes, no. This what is the function? Right. What is lambda like? If you pass it, for example, if you pass this, if you pass this, what will happen? What is the logic? Return item? No, we should say type. No, you can say type, right? That's it, right? Integer. And how you can you quickly test it? See, lambda lambda of. So what is the function? This is a function get clear integers, right? Got it? Get clean integers. That's a function. Comma. Guys, did you understand how I'm doing? So not lambda, filter, right? Filter, get clear integers, right? This is a function name. And what is the data? Data is, for example, that's very yeah. No, you can use L1 for testing purpose. You got it? And once we have this, what we will be doing? So let's say clean list equal to filter of L1. Got it? So quickly test this out. Okay. Print clean list is clean list. Guys, did you understood? So let's quickly test this, and then we should be good. See, did you get it? You got this. You got it right. So what you will be doing? What you should be doing? You should be doing what? So you'll be creating this, and then what this line, right? Whatever this line you are doing it here. So this should be done here, right? So before doing anything else, so let's say first of all, do clean list equal to here instead of L1, it's a mixer list. Guys, did you understood? And you'll be passing clean list everywhere, right? Unique list, yeah. Now it would make more sense, is it? Because we prepared a clean list and pass it to set to get all the unique elements. And once there is a unique element in the set, I'm converting them to list, right? And I'm just storing them to a unique list. Now, see now whatever they pass, now the same. Now if I, uh, you know, sorry, I just made it. I removed something. Is it? Oh, I copy pasted. Got it. Now what I'll do is here only we made, right? See, yeah. So this function should be above. Again, you should say, guys. Now you understood, huh? How you are taking down your interest time. You understood? You've taken almost 30 minutes of it. No, but you should see, but you are solving some big problem, right? So though it looks very small thing, but you are giving a proper enterprise application. Now, did you understood how you are solving it? So this capability we need actually. Even see, I attended one Facebook interview. I solved just like that. I solved in this style only. But still, I didn't join, right? Because I got Apple. So see, this is how we should. This is how we should. Do this, guys. Understood? Now, if I go and trigger this, clean list is not defined. Oh, okay. Sorry, I shouldn't just like I'm already taking it down. And guys, did you see this? Now, this program, this application could handle anything, guys. Even if you pass anything, not only this, if you pass list of list, nested list, tuple sets, right? Never mind. It's simply, even though user is not properly giving any inputs, even let's say user is passing some 1 2 3, for example. So still, don't care. Understood? Even if I trigger one more time. Yeah, guys, did you understood?